everyone, it's the Coffee Guy with CoffeeIcon, and today I'm going to give you a few different ways on brewing better coffee. Here's how. It's best to buy your coffee whole bean and grind it as you go. If you don't have a grinder, see if you can have it ground where you purchased it, like at a cafe, a grocery store, or online at CoffeeIcon.com. Having the right grind size is equally as important for your brewing method. For example, if you use a French press, you want to use a coarse grind. An automatic drip maker or a pour over generally requires a medium to a medium fine grind. Next, let's talk about water. Using filtered water while brewing your coffee will eliminate any impurities in the water, and it won't affect the flavor of the coffee. Your water temperature also should be between 196 to 205 degrees while brewing. It's also important to keep all of your equipment cleaned and your brewer descaled every 3 months. Finally, freshness matters. Stop drinking stale coffee. Getting your coffee freshly roasted is the most important, especially if you can have it customized to your liking. Check out CoffeeIcon.com and see all the different coffees we can custom roast and ship for you the same day. It's that easy.